Hey everyone, it's me. Today I've got Carson with me for like the 10th video. And we're gonna be doing something a little different today. Today we're gonna be doing a tier list for Star Wars movies in celebration of Kenobi, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, right here we have all the Star Wars movies and shows. So yeah, we're gonna rank them by what we think. Not Kenobi's not on there.
I don't think so.
Well, yeah, cause it's like
Boba Fett though.
Boba Fett, yeah. What is wrong with my voice? Yeah, we're gonna rank them, see what we think is good. Yeah.
First file.
We should. You need to make a tier of haven't seen first.
Yeah, but I think I've seen all of these.
You've seen all of them. I haven't seen Resistance, so.
Okay, I'm Resistance.
Yeah, there's Resistance. There's only one season, I think. I haven't seen it.
I've seen like a few episodes about it, and I think it's pretty bad.
Well, yeah, we haven't. I haven't put like dedicated time to watch it though, so. Haven't seen, yeah, that's fair. Alright. Oh yeah, look at that quality right there. That's season 1, that's season 2, but
Okay, this is season 1.
I think. Yeah, that's season 1, that's season 1.
Okay, so season 1 of Mandalorian, any thoughts?
I would give it a very high B. It's really good. But
I think the first episode especially is just super good. I think there was like one filler episode, but other than that.
true, yeah.
So I think
High B or low A for me.
I'll put it B.
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna get my charger real quick.
Very in advance for the quality. It's not gonna be fantastic, but yeah, whatever. Okay. You ready?
Yeah, okay. Yeah. So yeah, that's season 1 of Mandalorian.
Yes.
B tier, probably not that high. It's good, but is it great?
I don't think it's great, but it's good. It's definitely really good.
Got some great episodes and some okay episodes.
Yeah.
Well, like not very many that are okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, like Ivy.
High B. Okay, so this is all the Clone Wars season. That's season 5 with Maul. That is like S tier. That's S tier.
Season 5.
That's with Maul. It's like the best. That's like the best Clone Wars season. It's amazing.
Yeah. I think the best Star Wars ever.
Yes.
So yeah. Then this is season.
That looks like season 1. Season
Yeah,
1,
season 1.
I would say C. I didn't like season 1 very much.
Low C for me, honestly. I
Yeah.
think it's better. Yeah. I mean, at first arc it's alright.
Yeah, there's some okay parts in it, but overall it's just
You can't keep getting away with it!
A lot of not the best. And then season 2, I'll put.
Season 2 is a B.
Um,
Below Mandalorian season 1 though. I think.
I still think it's on season 2 is still on the same tier as season.
You think so? I think it's
I think it's high B.
okay. I'll settle for a high C.
Like there are some, but okay, I see.
Yeah.
I like that tree. Then season.
That's the movie.
No, that's the movie. Okay.
I haven't seen the movie. I haven't seen the movie. I know exactly what
I know
happens,
it's
but
about,
yeah.
but, I mean, Solo.
Solo C. I'd give it a C. Mid C. It's a very I think it's a mid movie, to be honest. That might just be me though.
I have very mixed feelings about this. Like, I think. See, my opinion on this has changed so many times. This is hard because
I don't think it's better than Clone
it
Wars.
has to- Yeah, I don't think it's better than Clone Wars. So, yeah, C, like low C. B. Well,
Yeah.
I put it above first season.
Well, yeah, I guess it's better than season 1. Okay. I'll settle for that.
I think. Yeah, and then this is
Season 7.
Season 7.
S. Not as good as
7. Okay.
not as good as season 5,
The
but
last
still
4
an S.
episodes, it's like last 4 episodes are like right
Yeah.
here.
But the overall the whole season it's good, but it's not as good as season 5.
First one was like first 4 episodes are great. Last 4 episodes best. Then the mid are not good.
I think they're okay.
Above.
I'd give it an A. I think it's an A. Cause you're thinking about the last 4 episodes too, so I think the last 4 alone bring it up to an A.
Literally one of the episodes in the middle arc, they like end up in the same place. Like they start in a jail cell, and then they escape, and then at the end of the episode,
They're in the jail cell, yeah.
in jail cell.
Yeah, I remember
I
that.
think low.
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah,
Rogue One.
Rogue One.
I think Rogue One is a B. Only because the Vader scene. Only because the Vader scene, I'm giving it a B. The rest of the movie is mid.
I really like Rogue.
Oh, I liked
I
it.
think Rogue One is
I don't think it has a whole lot of rewatchability. Like, I can't watch it consecutively, like, over and over again like I can the other movies. I get bored of it. I think it's a solid movie, though. What do you think?
Okay, yeah, I think it's fair. I think it should be A tier, only because I just really like me personally. I just really like how everyone dies. I like movies like that.
True. I did like that.
It's a really good pinpoint. It's definitely really good. But I put it lower than Clone Wars because this is low A.
I'll settle for that. I think that's good, yeah.
Do you agree with that?
I agree with that, yeah.
And we got Force Awakens.
Force Awakens is mid.
Mid, yeah, honestly.
C below Clone Wars.
Below season 2 Clone Wars, I think.
Below.
I put it above Solo. Definitely put it above Solo.
Okay, I can see that, yeah. All right,
Yeah, like first one, like theaters, it was good for its time.
it was
But
2017.
literally, it's only because like the later movies just make it so much worse.
Yeah, that's true.
I think that's the reason. Like, if this was 2017, we would have been like, oh, it's somewhere up here.
Yeah, I would have said like an A if it was 2017, but knowing like the context of like the later ones, I'm just like, frick that, nah.
This makes it more depressing watching Force Awakens when literally, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll get to that one. We'll get to it. It is.
I can't see that. The quality is.
I can't.
Is that season 3?
This. Oh yeah, it's season 3. Yeah.
Season 3, I think, is a very high A. That's the one with well, let me check what's on season 3 right quick. I got Disney Plus on my phone.
I think this was the good season.
Well, yeah, I know it was good, but I don't remember what was on it. I need to see like some of the episode titles to kind of refresh myself. Let's see. Go here. Go to the Clone Wars. That's down here. Then season 3. Clone Cadets, Our Troopers, Supply Line, Corruption Academy. Wait. This one has the Mortis arc in it, so this is like an S, because it has the Mortis arc in it. You know the Mortis arc, right?
That was the one. Oh yeah, with the I haven't seen season 3 in a while.
It's the one with like the crazy OP people, and they like pull a light. Anakin pulls a lightsaber on one of them, and he just grabs it and slings it back in.
Yeah.
Yeah, those guys. That's like one of my favorite Clone Wars seasons. That's an S for me. I don't think it's better than season 5, but it's
But is it better?
yes, it's.
Is it better than 7?
I think it's better than season 7.
Okay. I think.
Solely on the Mortis
I
arc.
don't. Okay. I put it above here, honestly.
All right, I'll
Because
accept
S tier,
that.
I think should be like the best of the best of the best. And season 5 is that, and I don't think season 3 is that.
True. Season 3 had a lot of filler, so that's true.
Um,
Episode 4. That's a fat A above.
Season 5, I don't think had like any filler.
Yeah. Episode 4 is a fat A above Rogue One for me.
Yeah, I put it above Rogue One. I don't think I put it above season 7.
I wouldn't put it above season 7, but it's
Well, I might.
it's
Actually,
it's debatable actually because it's so good. I think I think season 7 is better.
like, of course, it's the original. I think the special effects were
Trash.
especially for its time.
We'll put it there, yeah.
Not good.
Revenge of the Sith. I say A higher than episode 4. S for you.
Luke,
See,
you know my opinions on this movie.
I really like the movie, but the writing is just... That's my only problem with it, is the writing. Do you think it's better than season 5 of Clone Wars?
That's a hard question. I don't know.
I'd say at least put it below that. Because I think season 5 of Clone Wars is way better than episode 3. Yeah, I'm okay with that.
I think it's definitely the best of the movies.
Really. I think...
Yeah.
Well, we'll get to that. We'll get to that. We'll get to that.
Strikes Back is great, but we'll get to that. Road to,
C.
honestly,
Low C. It's a very mid movie.
I think.
I will say the action in this movie is on point, but everything else is just mid. And everything else makes up the vast majority of the movie, so it's a mid movie.
Well, okay.
Rise of Skywalker.
This is
So
9.
so
Okay.
I have a love-hate relationship with this sequels. I enjoyed watching them in theaters. I think they were fun to watch, but just rewatching them, they're so freaking bad.
I put this above whatever that was.
Yeah. I'd give it a D.
I put it E.
First watching, I'd give it like a very high C. Now, it's definitely a D.
Yeah. And this, there's just not anything really.
There's not anything good about that. I hated that movie.
They made Luke so bad. Not you. They completely disregarded everything in what's it called? Return of the Jedi.
Yeah. I hated that movie.
I don't like this.
So, Empire Strikes Back, I would say high A above Clone Wars.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, I think it deserves this.
It could go an S. I'd be okay with an S. I do not think it's better than Revenge of the Sith, though. I will say that.
I definitely don't think that.
It's pretty close, though.
Then we got episode 1.
I think it's better
I'll say
than...
this is
people-
political when literally Revenge Revenge of the Sith is the more political.
People hate on this movie too much. I think it's an A, personally. Other than like,
Pod racing. Darth Maul was amazing. I put this above.
ooh, actually above Mandalorian. Actually, yeah, I'd put that above Solo. Above Solo. Well, I'd say it's better than The Force Awakens.
Put it above Solo. I don't watch. Yeah, I'd say so. I'd say so.
Yeah, that's what I'd think. Okay.
Yeah, I think
That's good. Yeah.
we got
Rebels.
Star Wars.
Is that season
You
1?
see this?
I watched it. Yeah. Is it Was that season 1?
This is. I don't. Probably, yeah. I think so.
There's 3 seasons, so yeah, that's season 1. Season 1. You watched it, right?
I've heard.
What?
Yeah, I watched it.
Okay.
I actually rewatched it a bit ago.
Yeah, I'd put.
I put season 1 below episode 2 of Star Wars. I don't think it's good, but I put it above Rise of Skywalker.
Yeah, it's season 1 is the definition of mid. Season 2 though, season 2 is good.
I think season 2 is. Yeah,
I-
put it here.
I think it's below Mandalorian. Yeah,
Yeah. I
I don't think it's better.
think the distance. I think the distance between Mandalorian and everything in sea is so high. But
Yeah,
yeah. It's like low speed is like high speed. So.
yeah. What is
Bad
that?
Batch.
It's a very mid show.
I haven't finished it.
It's mid.
I'm like midway through. Yeah. I put.
I'm saying mid a lot for the shows.
Yeah.
Oh, I wouldn't.
Well,
I would not put it above episode 1.
okay. Yeah, I can see that. I put it above.
Yeah, above Force Awakens and Solo definitely, but not above episode 1.
Yeah. And then we got.
That is season. What even is that?
This is the. Just all 6 movies. I don't know why they're doing that.
I haven't seen it. I don't know. Is
Um,
all 6 movies? What do you mean?
I think it's the complete 6.
Okay, I don't know what that is, but whatever. Okay, Visions is
Never mind. That's Clone Wars season 6. I'm dumb.
season 6. Okay, yeah, that's give it an A.
It, yeah.
But not a.
Above Rogue
Yeah, above Rogue One. Above Rogue One. Not above episode 4 though. Or Clone Wars
One.
season 7. I don't think it's as good as season 7. Actually, that one arc with Yoda. This is season 6, right?
Oh yeah, that one arc with Yoda. Never mind.
Yeah, I think that's better than season 7.
Yeah, I think. Yeah.
That's fair. Yeah.
Star Wars
Visions.
Episode 1 is like.
Episode 1 is amazing. Everything else is very mid.
I
I'd
give it a B.
yeah, B.
Well, even then, too many C's, but that first episode alone makes it.
The first episode is great, yeah.
And we got.
That's season 2, right?
This is season 3.
Season 3. I think that's an A.
I give it. I honestly, I don't think it's A yet. I give it.
High B, okay.
It's one of Darth Maul. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
I don't think it's better than. I don't think it's near.
Wait. They put that
It's just.
goofy thing where they like the Inquisitors flew with the lightsabers. I hated that. Put that below Mandalorian. Put that below Mandalorian. I hated that. Put that below Mandalorian. Yeah, that alone made me almost hate the show. that was so goofy.
The Darth Maul arc was good.
I think it's better than Visions.
Yeah.
I'll give it that.
Yeah. Okay. Then we got
What is that?
Resistance.
I haven't seen it.
Season 2, I think. I didn't even know there was a season. What's this?
That's season 2, right? Season 2, I'd give a.
You're right. What season 2 is? Right. This is season 2.
Oh, so what's that? There's 4 seasons? I didn't know
I
there.
didn't even know that.
I didn't know there was 4 seasons. Let me check. Let me check that out. Hang on. There are. Season 4 is the Mandalorian stuff.
Oh yeah, it was good.
I'd put that above season 3, but still not better than yeah.
And then we got complete season 4, Clone Wars season 4. This is good.
It's good. I don't remember a whole lot about season 4.
The one with it was with Darth Maul.
It was like his starting arc, right?
Yeah, it was starting out.
Okay.
Darth Maul.
Yeah, that's understandable then, yeah.
And then Boba Fett. I have mixed feelings about this. I think Boba Fett should have had his helmet on way more.
I'm going to say mid for the 30th time.
I give it.
I think it's a C.
I give it better than flying. Do you think it's better than flying Inquisitor?
That is true. Yeah, it's a lot better than Flying Inquisitors. So B above.
I give this.
Yeah, that's good.
Like the best episode, it had really good episodes, but the
Oh,
best
yeah.
episodes were, annoying.
Yeah. Freaking. Season 2, I think that's a very high A. That might even be above Clone Wars.
I give,
Yeah. This is like,
yeah, I think it's above all.
yeah.
Yes.
Season 2 is
Then
great.
we got Return of the Jedi.
This is controversial. This is my favorite Star Wars movie. I'd give it an S. Above Revenge of the Sith.
I don't think it's better than Revenge.
I think it's better than Revenge of the Sith.
I do not think. I think the Anakin are.
The final battle, though.
Oh,
The final battle, though.
don't make me kill you. I have the high ground. Yeah, but the memes are better in. I still think Empire Strikes Back is better than Return.
I don't think Empire Strikes Back is better than
Empire
Return.
Strikes Back, I think that is an incredible movie, and I think it's way better. There are things. I think Return of the Jedi is too slow. I think Empire Strikes Back is just a better original movie.
Oh yeah, Empire Strikes Back is great. But Return of the Jedi, that's just peak stuff right there.
Okay, over. No, I don't. No.
It's my favorite Star Wars movie. You can leave it there if you want, but it's my favorite. I'd have it above Revenge of the Sith.
You have many not good.
Yeah, literally
Honestly,
only 2, and the D and F.
you have more. I think it's not good.
Season 1. Yeah, I'd put season 1 there. Yeah,
Season 1 is not good.
season 1's not great.
Yeah, it's just not good. I don't think it's good at all. Honestly, I think it's has all right moments. but
Yeah,
it's
I don't think it's fun. It's not fun to watch for me. Like after the first time, I watched it once, and I was even watching it like the first time. I was like, this is slow.
So yeah, that
That is our tier list.
Star Wars tier list.
All the movies. All of them. Every single one. Thanks for watching, guys. We will see you in the next video. Subscribe to Carson. His channel's in the description.
Yeah, you can find it in the description here, and you can hear.
Yes.
I
They
don't know if
couldn't
you
see.
saw that because
They couldn't see your hand because you're the background, but whatever.
it's right here.
And then I also made a Discord server for my channel that you can join. You should do that if you're into Discord. Link will also be in the description. Yep, that's gonna do it. See ya.